Today we're going to learn about adjusting your Bose sound system in your new Panamera. You can adjust that by selecting Media, and then here you can see the Bose tab. The first surround will create a surround sound environment, much like your home theater. Linear is basically best for vocal performances. Bass and treble can be adjusted here using the slider. If you would like to adjust the balance or the fade in your Panamera, we'll just move it with your finger and then leave it, or you can go back to center. There's SoundTrue. SoundTrue is great for compressed files, i.e. streaming music. And then finally you have Autopilot. Autopilot will adjust the volume based on your driving noise inside the vehicle. You now can adjust and enjoy your Bose sound system in your new Panamera.